let's have a look at type 4. This type 4 is similar to your type 1. 80% is purely similar. Then question arises, what is the difference? That 20% is your poles and zeros. That is the reason we say type 4. So let's have a look. The circuit is given to you. The first rule is that you have to convert this circuit into Laplace. R will be R, L will be Ls, C will be 1 upon Cs. So let's convert it. After converting it, I need to just solve it. By solving, two things you need to remember. One is your series combination, one is the Laplace parallel combination. So these two things are parallel. So add both the things. Simplify your Z of S, my dear friends. After simplification, your Z of S, whatever equation you get, so find the factors. So this is the power one, so you have the factors directly. So find the factors. So S square plus 5s plus 20. Put them to your calculator. You get two values. S square plus 5s plus 20. So just plot it, your numerator as well as your denominator. When you talk about, my dear friends, in numerator and your denominator, we talk about your poles and zeros. And when I talk about plotting, I only need to plot the value of S. That means I have this bracket, put down equal to 0, so I'll get the S value. This bracket, put it equal to 0, so I'll get the value for S. So then I shift this part on my array. So S plus 5 equal to 0, so S equal to minus 5. So I have three values. So my question says, if I need to plot it, I need to get the value of poles and zeros. So I need to get the value of poles and zeros. I need to know, my dear friends, where do I get my zeros and where do I get my poles. So the logic says, my dear friends, from numerator you get zeros and from denominator you get poles. That means the point over here, from this two bracket, I'll be getting zeros, and from denominators, I'll be getting poles. That means, my dear friends, the value I got 2.5 to this and 2.5 to this. So this value will be your zeros. This will be your, because this value. Now second question says, what will be your pole? So my pole is S plus 5 equal to 0. So this will be S equal to minus 5. So if I need to call my pole, the pole value I'll be getting from denominator. So whatever denominator bracket I am going to get, my dear friends, so put it equal to 0. So S plus 5 equal to 0, so S equal to minus 5. So plot this value. So this is your real part, 5 cross. So this is nothing but your pole. Your question said, after getting the impedance function Z of S, find the value for poles and zeros. So keep in mind, first step is that reduce the network to Z of S. For reducing Z of S, two things, series and parallel combination. So after reducing it, you got the value for Z of S. After getting this value Z of S, you need to find the value for S. For whom? Numerator as well as denominator. Okay. After finding the value for S, what about then? I need to find the value for poles as well as zeros. So the value of S which I get from numerator, that is the, and the value of S which I get from denominator, my dear friends, that is termed as poles. So poles you can plot by cross, and for zero you can plot by either by circle or by cross and circle. So that's your choice. So that was the main logic behind it. Everything was similar to in type 4, even type 1. The only thing new part was that your poles and zeros. So keep that in mind before leaving this lecture. Your zeros you get from numerator and your poles you get from denominator. Thank you so much, guys. Signing off.